This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Python idle. First, navigate to the official Python website, python.org, to download the latest installer. Once downloaded, launch the installer. It is crucial to check the box that says Add Python to Path during this initial step. This ensures Python commands are accessible from any directory in your system, making development much smoother. Then, proceed with the installation. During the installation, you will encounter several options. Make sure to select Install Launcher for all users to ensure system-wide access. Opt for Customize Installation to review and confirm all optional features are included. These provide full functionality. A recommended practice is to choose a straightforward installation path, such as C:\Python followed by the version number, for easy future reference and management. After a successful installation, you can launch idle directly from your operating system's Start menu. Once open, take a moment to personalize your environment. Navigate to the Options menu to adjust the font size and select a color scheme that suits your preference. Remember to save these settings so they persist across all your future idle sessions. A quick test, like typing "print hello world" in the shell, confirms everything is working. Idle offers several powerful features to enhance your coding experience. The interactive shell is perfect for testing small code snippets instantly. For larger projects, create new files to write and save your Python scripts. Should you encounter any issues, the integrated debugger is an invaluable tool for identifying and resolving errors efficiently. Don't forget to explore the comprehensive built-in help documentation for further guidance and support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.